Hello friends, welcome to my channel IIT-JEE Physics classes. Today we are going to learn fast calculation multiplying two digits number. So here is the first example. We have two digit numbers 13 and 41. We have to multiply them in one step. So first we will multiply the numbers in ones place, means these numbers. So 3 times 1, these two numbers 3. Then we are going to multiply cross products, means like we have to multiply cross numbers 1 times 1 and we have to add up them, like 1 times 1 and 4 times 3 is 12. So 1 times 1 is 1, 4 times 3 is 12. That will make it, you add up them, 13. So it is two digit number. We will put 3 here and take 1 as carry. Now we will multiply the numbers at tens place, these numbers. So 4 times 1 and we have to add this carry 5. So 533 is the answer. So first multiply the numbers at the ones place. In the second step you will do the multiply cross numbers and add them up, and then third step multiply the numbers at the tens place. Let's do one more example, the complicated example little. So here are big numbers. So first multiply 3 times 7, that will give you 21. So 1 here and 2 would be carry, right? Let's write carry here. Now do the cross product. So 5 times 7, add it to carry 35. 2 is carry, 35 is the cross multiplication, and then 8 times 3, that will give you 24. And adding all these up will give us 61. 1 here, 6 would be carry. Okay. Now you have to multiply the numbers at the tens place. 5 times 8 is 40. 40 plus add the carry 46. So answer is 4611. I hope you like this method. Try this to do the fast calculation. Thank you for watching.